Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. It's currently morning for me. Good morning, everyone. Hopefully you guys are doing great. Hopefully you guys are fine. Today, for this week's meeting, unfortunately, we are not going to be able to have Zoom because I have a training that I have to be involved with that require me to be there from morning until late afternoon. So that's why you guys are watching this video. So this week we're going to learn about a few things. Yeah, it's gonna be about inviting and giving directions. But let me show you my screen. Okay, so it's going to be about inviting and giving direction, but my main focus this week is going to be about giving direction only, because I feel like this is going to be more, like you guys are going to use this more often rather than inviting, although that you guys probably invite people as well. But giving directions require a lot more vocabulary to get to know, that you need to familiarize yourself with, certain expressions that you guys need to use when it comes to giving direction. So that's why giving direction is going to be our main focus this week. So let's start with the definition of direction. What is direction? So according to the dictionary, let me pull up my dictionary. Give me 1 second. So let's see, what's the definition of direction? Direction. So according to the dictionary, direction is a noun. This is how you pronounce it, direction. Or you can also say direction, depends. You can choose between direction or direction. Me personally, I usually say direction. So direction is a noun. The definition of direction is a course along which someone or something moves. Yeah. Or it can also, the course which must be taken in order to reach a destination. Also a point to or from which a person or thing moves, or also can be a general way in which someone or something is developing. So this specific definition, the course in which must be taken in order to reach a destination. So I'm going to help you guys understanding, if you want to go somewhere, a certain place, how do we get there? Yeah. So for example, let's say that you are in a certain place and then your friend invited you to go somewhere, to a party, to a new place that you have never been to. So your friends say, hey, I have a party tonight. It's in Galaxy Mall. So you have no idea where Galaxy Mall is. So you will ask your friend, hey, by the way, can you help me? Where is Galaxy Mall? Can you help me with the direction? Yeah, so that's what we are going to be focused on this week. Yeah, let me stop sharing this. Okay, so I already shared the file in e-learning, the PDF, so you can download it so you can see what I am going to read right now. Yeah, it's going to be about giving direction. It's already included in the module. If you already downloaded in the beginning of the semester, you're good to go. It's going to be on Unit 3, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so let's see and go directly to giving direction. There you are. Yeah. All right, let's see. So this is giving direction. So there are some common expressions that we can use if we want to know how to get to certain places, how to get to a new place that we have never been to. For example, Galaxy Mall, like what I said before. Yeah, the common expressions that we can use if we want to ask for direction. Yeah, the first one is, can you tell me the way to? So this is one of the way of asking, how do I get there? Yeah, and then the second one, how do I get to? So after to, here you mention the place. How do I get to the library? How do I get to the shopping center? How do I get to your house? Yeah. And then the second one, which way is the mall? Which way is the church? Which way is the hospital? Yeah. And then, would you know how to get to a police station from here? So this has from here. So you are stating where you are right now, the point that you are starting. So your friend will help you, guide you to get to that destination. And then the next one, could you tell me where blah, blah, blah? Again, this can be filled with a place that you want to know the location. And then the last one, how can I get to? Yeah. Basically, all these questions are, the point of these questions are wanting to know where the place is. So you can choose any question. You don't have to, you can, well, if you want to ask, so which one should I pick, miss? Well, you can choose whatever you want, which one you feel more comfortable speaking or pronouncing. Me personally, I usually ask this question, how do I get to the library? Or usually I would ask, hey, can you help me? I want to go to the library. Can you help me lead the way? Yeah, can be also like that. Yeah, and then these are the possible responses that we can give when we are helping someone to get to their destination. Yeah, the first one, it's going to be, it's down the street about 2 blocks. Yeah, so what does the sentence mean? Down the street, it means that the location of the place that you are asking is at the end of the street. Yeah, literally the end of the street. Let me show you an example of a map. Okay, let me share a new screen for you guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, so we have a new map here. I'm not sure if it is showing. Okay, hopefully it is showing because it doesn't show green on my screen. How about I stop? Sorry for the technical difficulty. Yeah. All right, so here's the map. All right, so the statement said that it's down the street about 2 blocks. Yeah. Share this one. Both, let me minimize this a little bit. All right, okay, there you go. All right, hopefully you can see that, yeah? Pretty small. Okay, so look at the sentence. It's down the street about 2 blocks, yeah? So down the street, let's say that your current location is over here at the intersection. So intersection is when several roads meet up at certain points. So this is intersection. There are 4 different sections, yeah? So it is going up north, yeah? Going east, yeah, going south, and this is going west. So this is called intersection. There are 4 different points, yeah. There are also different kind of intersection, yeah. It is called Y, like the letter Y junction. So it means when the intersection similar with the letter Y. So there are 3 different roads. Yeah, that's Y junction. So down the street, it means that when your starting point is in this intersection, yeah, down the road, so the possible location is over here. So it is at the end of the road. And then 2 blocks mean that 2 rows of buildings. Yeah. Let's change the starting point of ourselves. Let's change our starting point to here. So it's down the street. So it means at the end of the street, 2 blocks from here. So this is 1 block, yeah, and then this is 2 block. 2 blocks to the north side, yeah, to the north side, ke atas, yeah. So it means the location is at the end of the street. And then the second possible statement is going to be you go straight down or you go straight up this street. So it means that you just go straight ahead, yeah. So again, if your starting point is over here and you try to pointing out the direction, you go straight down or straight up, it means that you just go here to this way, yeah, or to go this way, depending on which way you are pointing, yeah. And then it's the second right. So see where you are standing and then which way you are facing. So let's say that you are standing over here and you are facing Pine Street, ya. Artinya menghadap ke Pine Street, you are facing Pine Street. So when it is said it's the second right, so it means that the second building on your right. So I'm standing over here facing Pine Street, so my face is looking at this direction. So the second right, it means that this is the first one and this is the second. So the building that we're trying to pointing at is over at this direction, the blue one, the drugstore. All right. And then the next statement is going to be on the left or on the right. It's pretty simple. So you're just pointing where the building is. It's on the right side or on your left side. Yeah. And also you can use next to. What does next to means? It's similar with beside, yeah, sebelah in bahasa Indonesia. So let's say that you are standing over here and then you are asking about the hospital. You see, this is the hospital, right? And then, so then you are going to give the direction, hey, can you help me where the hospital is? All right, so the hospital is next to the library as well as the barber shop. Or you can also say that the hospital is in between library and barbershop. So when we use in between, it means that you are trying to explain that the building is between 2 other buildings on the right and also on the left side. So where is the hospital? The hospital is in between the library and the barbershop. Or you can also say that the hospital is on the right side of the library, or you can also say the hospital is on the left side of the barber shop. Okay. All right. And then the next one we have just past or just before. Yeah. Again, you can read this. I'm not sure if you can see on the screen right now, but you can see it in your module on page 22 about giving direction. Yeah. The next expression for the possible response is going to be just past or just before. What does just past or just before mean? Yeah, just past, it means that the building is after the next building. Yeah, again, let's go back to the map. I know that this is a small map, I'm so sorry. Again, you're standing over here in the on the intersection. Yeah. So you're asking about barbershop, the orange box. Yeah. So, hey, how do I get to barbershop? Oh, the barbershop is on your left side again because you are facing Pine Street. Yeah. So that the barber shop is on your left side, just past the hospital. So it means the barber shop, the building is after the hospital building. Yeah. So how do I get to the barber shop from here? So the barber shop is on your left side, just past the hospital. Yeah. Or let's see the next expression. It's on the corner. Or it's in the middle of the block. It's on your left. So let's go through one by one. It's on the corner, ya, di sudut in bahasa Indonesia. So the barbershop location is on the corner, yeah, literally, like it's in the corner, on the corner, right? So where's the barbershop? So actually, it's in the corner of the intersection in between Pine Street and also the Second Avenue. Yeah, it's on your left side, in the corner. Which other building on this map is on the corner? Library is also on the corner, yeah, and then high school in the corner, grocery store also in the corner, shopping center technically is in the corner, even though that it's taking like more space, yeah, than the drugstore, yeah, so it's in the corner. In the middle of the block, so again in the middle, so it means in the between two buildings, yeah. So hospital, the location of the hospital is in the middle of the block, yeah, because it is in between the library and also the barber shop. And also, again, you can also pointing at or helping your friend by saying it's on your left, it's on your right, because not everyone able to read direction, not everyone able to read maps, yeah. Yeah, there's a meme out there saying that girls cannot read maps, yeah. That's kind of true. I kind of have difficulty in reading maps, but if you are giving clear instruction, yeah, hey, how do I get to the sports center over here? Yeah, when I'm over here, from here. So, hi, can you help me? How do I get to sports center from here? So you can say, so the sports center is on your left, go straight ahead, yeah, go straight ahead from your location onto the next intersection. This is the next intersection, yeah, intersection, onto the next intersection, and then you will see a sports center is on the corner on your left of that second intersection. Okay, hopefully that's pretty clear. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let me stop sharing. Give me 1 second. All right. Let me show you a different map to get a better idea of the direction. So remember the expression that we can use, the building is on your left side, the building is on your right side. Yeah, in between. Yeah, in between, it means that the location is between two other buildings on the left and then also on the right. Yeah, and then also it's in the corner. Yeah, so the location is in the corner. Yeah, let me show you another map so that you can get a better understanding. Again, give me 1 second. Okay, let's see. Share this map. Okay, let me try to maximize this. All right, see how big can it be. So, all right, yeah. Do we have an example? No. All right, so also there are some other ways if you want to mention about street or avenue. So avenue is basically bigger than street, yeah. So this is a Summer Street, Main Street. So when you are trying to explain about the intersection, you also need to mention which intersection, because there will be so many different intersections. Let's see from this map, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different intersections. Yeah. So if you are trying to explain the bakery from the park or from this point, yeah, so you can help this person by saying, you cannot just say, hey, it's in the corner of the intersection. Which intersection? Which corner? Since there are so many different intersections, yeah, because you are standing over here on Pine Street, in between Pine Street and also Main Street. So you need to give more or further explanation on where the bakery is, since there are so many different intersections, right? So, hey, I'm over here. Can you help me? How do I get to the bakery? So this is the bakery. The bakery is in the corner on your right side, in the intersection between Summer Street and also Main Street. So when you mention the name of the street, it will become clearer for the other person to understand which intersection. So they are not going to go here because this is not Summer Street and Main Street. This is Smith Street and Main Street. Yeah. It's a different intersection. So when you're saying that, hey, how do I get from here to the bakery? So from here, you go straight down. Yeah, you will see at the end of the road on the second intersection. So you help them, second intersection. Why? Because this is going to be your first intersection. Then this is going to be your second intersection. Yeah. It's going to be on the second intersection in between Summer Street and Main Street. The bakery is going to be on your right side, just before the intersection. Why I need to mention just before the intersection? Because you can also, the idea can be, the bakery can be on this side. But since you mentioned before the intersection, yeah, sebelum, so the bakery is over here. Let me repeat that again. So our location is over here, right? Hey, can you help me? How do I get from here to the bakery? Okay, I can help you. Yeah. How do you get to the bakery? Pretty easy. Go straight ahead. Yeah, go straight ahead. Go straight down. You will see on the second intersection on your right side, just before the intersection between Summer Street and Main Street, the bakery is on the corner on your right side. Okay. You need to mention as many directions as possible. It's not going to be enough. It's on your right side. Well, hello. Yeah. Park, hospital, grocery store, bank, and bakery, all of them are on my right side. Yeah. So you cannot just give minimal explanation or information when it comes to direction. Yeah. You need to help the person. Give as many details as possible. Okay. Now, let me change the information again. So our starting point still over here on the Pine Street. Can I give any, okay. Let me give an X, okay. Let me move here. So this is our starting point, the X, yeah, that would be easier for us. This is our starting point, right? So let me change the question. Hey, I'm over here on the intersection between Pine Street and also Main Street. I want to go to the parking lot. So this is the parking lot, yeah. Remember, when we are giving direction, give as many clues as possible because it will be very helpful to the other person to understand our direction. Yeah. So this is ourselves. We are here. We want to go to the parking lot. So you need to mention that, hey, so you're over here. You need to face, yeah, harus menghadap. You need to face the Main Street. Yeah. Go straight down. Yeah. Past the first intersection. Yeah, this is the first intersection. Past the first intersection, The parking lot is gonna be the second building on your left. Yeah, let me repeat that again. So how do I get from here to the parking lot? All right, so you need to face the main street. Yeah, menghadap main street, face the main street. After the first intersection, so this is the first intersection, look at your left side. Yeah, lihat sebelah kiri, look at your left side. You will see the second building, because this is going to be your first building on the left. This is going to be your second building. The second building on your left is going to be the parking lot. The parking lot is next to the library. Yeah, so there are so many different information. Facing the main street, first information. After the first intersection, second information. It's on your left, third information. It's gonna be the second building on your left, fourth information. Yeah, the parking lot is next to the library, the fifth information. And also, you can also say that the parking lot is across from the bakery. Across, it means that it is crossing the street, crossing the main street. It is across from the bakery. So how many informations do I give? I give you guys 6 different information. Yeah. It's going to be very helpful for the other person when we are mentioning as many information as possible. It's going to be different though. Let's say, so I'm over here. How do I get to the parking lot? Go straight ahead. Which direction? Yeah. We can also set go straight ahead over here to the Pine Street, up north. Yeah. No, that's not the direction. So you need to mention which way, which street. Yeah. So go straight ahead on Main Street. This is Main Street. Go straight ahead on Main Street. Cross the first intersection. Yeah, first intersection. On the left. On the second building. Next to the library. Across from the bakery. All right. Yeah, a lot, I know. But it's gonna be easy. Yeah. And also let me show you about the mata angin, yeah, the direction, compass. Let me stop sharing. Give me 1 second, as usual. So it is going to be very helpful when we understand the direction like compass, yeah, north, west, south, and also east. Yeah, let me show you the compass. Image. All right, let me show you my screen. I'm going to share this one and this one. All right. So this is the direction, the basic knowledge of the compass. So the map is usually, the position is going to be like this. The north side is going to be at the top of the map. The east side, yeah, I don't know if my camera is mirrored or not, yeah, but currently the east side is usually on the right side of the map, yeah. The south, yeah, the south is going to be at the bottom of the map, and then the west side is going to be the left side of the map. Let me give you a better idea of north, east, south, and also west. Let's start with Indonesia. I am right now currently in Padang. Padang is located in the Sumatra Island. Yeah, Sumatra Island is on the west side of Indonesia because it is on the left side of the map. Okay, and then we have Papua. Papua on the map is on the right side. So Papua is on the east side of Indonesia. So what's at the north, on the north side? On the north side, we are going to have Kalimantan, yeah, because it is above us, or we can say the Philippines. The Philippines is on the north side of Indonesia because the Philippines is at the top of Indonesia, at the top of the map. So that's north. So what's on the south side of Indonesia, below us? So south is below, in the below area of the map. So below Indonesia, if you look at the map, is going to be Australia. So Australia is on the south side of Indonesia. Yeah, let me change you the map. The US. The US map. All right. Which one is easier to understand? Let's see this one because it's a little bit colorful. All right. So this is the map of the United States of America, right? Let me try to open the image in the new tab. All right. So this is the map of the United States. Remember, yeah, north is usually at the top of the map. East is on the right side of the map. And then north is going to be at the bottom of the map. How about west? It's going to be on the left side. So when we are hearing people having a conversation talking about their location, when they are in the United States, they usually say, hey, I'm on the West Coast. What does it mean in the West Coast? So this person is either in the California area or Oregon or Washington. So the three states, Washington, Oregon, and also California, all three of them located on the west coast of the map. The opposite side of West Coast is gonna be East Coast area. East Coast is gonna be on the right side. When we're talking about East Coast, there's gonna be a lot more states than the West Coast, yeah, because the East Coast is gonna be starting from Maine, yeah, go down until Florida, including New York, including South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia. So technically they are on the right side. Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Jersey, Delaware, and also Maryland, and as well as Washington, D.C. All these states are located on the East Coast of the United States. Yeah. How about the South? Remember, the South is at the bottom of the map, yeah, including Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and a small part of California, technically, right? Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. Florida considered East Coast states, yeah. Okay, moving on to up north, yeah, it's gonna be Montana, North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan. Yeah, that's the north state. This area is usually colder because it is getting closer with the North Pole. Yeah, over here we have Canada. This is the border between United States and also Canada. Yeah, okay. So that's it about direction. Yeah, we just need to remember some expression when we want to explain about how to get to certain places, right? Remember, on your left side, on your right side, go straight ahead. It's on the intersection. It's on the Y junction. So let me show you Y junction. What does it look like? Let me share my screen again. Y junction. All right. So this is the Y junction. This is the sign, Y junction. So this can be categorized as Y junction. Pretty obvious because it looks like a Y letter, right? See, this is a Y junction. This is also called a Y junction. Yeah, a little bit of a funky Y. Yeah, this is also as well as a Y junction. So this usually when we are going to exit a toll, yeah, highway, when we are exiting a highway, usually it's gonna look like this, yeah, Y junction. T junction. T junction, similar with Y. It is look like a T letter. And this is the sign. We have in Indonesia like this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So this is a T junction, literally like a T. Yeah. Oh yeah, another thing that I'm going to show you, it's going to be about roundabout. Roundabout. So roundabout is like this. Yeah. I don't know in Padang you have it or not. Yeah? Oh, we have it. We have roundabout just right outside of our DPRD, right? And also the Simpang Tinju intersection. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that also a roundabout. Yeah. And also, if you want to tell the people to take a turn, yeah, U-turn. Let's go through one by one. U-turn. This is a U-turn sign. It can be this one or this one. When we are asking people to take a turn around, yeah, take a U-turn, putar balik, yeah. Usually, if the direction is on the different side of the map, yeah. So remember, on your left side, on your right side, turn left, turn right, go straight down, go straight up, yeah. It's in the corner, in between, across. Ya, across is artinya berseberangan in bahasa Indonesia. In between, next to, beside, and on your left, on your right. Yeah, pretty simple. And remember, when we are giving direction, give as many details, as many information as possible. Yeah, when we are only giving minimal information, it's not going to be helpful for the other person to understand our direction, right? So make sure that you give as many information as possible, okay? Remember to always find another resources. Yeah, look up any other information online. So hopefully this can be very helpful. Oh, let me show you another map. I like showing you pictures. Give me 1 second. May close everything to minimize my computer crashing. Yeah, okay. This one maybe. Okay, oh, this is gonna be very interesting. Okay, so I have a new map, yeah. All right, let's go through one by one again. So we have Maple Street, it's over here, Main Street, and then Davis Street. So many different buildings. Bank is on the left side of the Chinese restaurant. And then Chinese restaurant is in between the bookstore and the bank. And the bookstore is gonna be in the corner of Main Street and also Maple Street. Why do we have to mention the name of the streets? Because there are so many corners. This is also a corner. This is a corner, another corner, another corner, another corner. So why do we need to mention the bookstore is in the corner of Maple Street and Main Street, across from the parking lot? Yeah. Okay. We have the park. The park is on the Maple Street. Depends on your point of view. Yeah. Again, point of view is going to be very crucial. When we are facing this direction, ketika kita menghadap ke arah sini, and we are over here, so the park is on the Maple Street, right? Because we're over here. But then if we're standing here, the park is on the main street. It's just about perspective, your point of view. Then swimming pool. Swimming pool is beside the drugstore or next to the drugstore. The drugstore is in the corner next to the swimming pool on Main Street and Maple Street. And then drugstore is also next to the public restroom. Give as many information as possible. Okay, let's say. One last example. Let's say that we are right now currently in the park. We're standing in the park near the fountain. We're standing over here, just sunbathing, having a good time, reading books probably. But then you want to go to the movie theater. Movie theater is over here. We are in the park, chilling, relaxing. Want to go to the movie theater to go see the new Batman movie. So from the park, go to the intersection between Main Street and then also Maple Street. Turn left. Turn left. And then after that, you will see another intersection in between Davis Street and also Main Street. Turn right. Turn right to Davis Street. You will see the movie theater is the second building after the parking lot. It's on your right side, across from the newsstand. There you go. You can watch the new Batman movie in the movie theater with your friend if you are coming from the park, right? Okay. I think that's all for this week's meeting about giving direction. About invitation, though, you can read it by yourself. It's not really that difficult because it doesn't require as many expression compared to giving direction. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys are watching this video. Hopefully you learned something new today. And again, I would like to remind you guys to keep adding resources, find other information about giving direction. Internet is your friend. Go look it up. See you next week. Have a wonderful day. Good afternoon, everyone. Bye-bye.